Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to program a Honeywell or Tru Bolt electronic lock step by step in 2026. Now, first of all, before starting programming it, you need to simply open the door and you need to make sure that it is unlocked as well. Afterwards, you just have to install the batteries and wait. At this point, you should hear a few beeps or you should see the deadbolt move by itself, but in that case you don't need to touch the keypad yet. Now you just have to simply just enter the default programming code, which is going to be 123456. Then you need to simply press the unlock button over here. After pressing the unlock button, you just have to simply press 0, and at this point you need to start entering the new programming code, which is going to be the 6-digit code. Then you just have to simply press the unlock button again and then enter the same code again in order to confirm it. If it is successful, the light will flash green confirming that you have successfully set it up. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.